Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golden Guitar Masterclass. And today we're having a look at an absolute classic ballad from the 80s. It's the wonderful Hello by Lionel Richie. Okay, let's get cracking with this one straight away. So the chords with screenshots that you will need for this song are just A minor. You will need a G. You will need an F. You will need an A. You will need a D minor. You will need a C. You will need an E. And you will also need a C with a B bass, which is like this. And you will also need a B flat, which is a little bit harder, so I'm going to give you 3 versions and you can choose your favourite one. But the B flat could be like this. The B flat could be like this. Or you may want to use a B flat power chord, a B flat 5, which is like this. Okay, so like I always say, if any of those give you any problems, maybe try freeze framing the screenshot and just try practicing through them. But assuming you're good to go and you know all those chords comfortably, let's get straight on. We're going to start off, and sorry, you'll have to excuse the singing. I'm going to try and hum the melody so you can see how the chords sit with the melody in this one. I'll do my best. Okay, but we're going to start off obviously with the intro and the verse section, okay, and the chords will come up on the screen. Okay, so get ready with your A minor. Here we go. 3, 4. A minor and G, G, F. Again, A minor to G and an F. Right, here we go with the verse. A minor and a G and then to F. Again, A minor and a G and then to F. Again, A minor, da, da, G, and then to F. A minor, G, and an F, then to A. And D minor, change to G, and a C, and change to F. B flat, and then E major. And A minor, B bass, and C, back to B bass, and D minor and G, and a C, and then to F, B flat, and then E major, and back to A minor, and a G, G, and an F. Again, A minor, and then G, G, and then F. Right, let's try one more verse, here we go. A minor and a G and then to F. Again, A minor, da, da, G and then to F. A minor and a G and then to F. A minor and an F then to A, and D minor change to G, and a C and change to F, B flat and then E major, and A minor, B bass, and C, back to B bass, and D minor and G, and a C and then to F, B flat and then E major, and back to A minor and G, G and F, and so on. And then obviously the guitar solo just goes over the verse chords there that we were playing there. But fantastic, beautiful song. Practice that one, get your vocals sorted out and it will sound fantastic. All the best, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. But I'll see you again soon for more super easy or easy-ish songs with Ben Golden Guitar. Thank you, bye.